ako mahihiya kung sa iyo'y liligaya ang pag-ibig mo lamang ang siyang tanging aliw sa buhay pagkat kita'y minamahal. Nung kita'y mahalin, di ko na inisip ang kinabukasan ko. Ang nadarama ko'y iniibig kita, pag-ibig na walang maliw. Sabihin man nila na ako'y isang baliw, nang dahil sa'yo giliw, ay tatanggapin ko maluwag sa dibdib sapagkat mahal kita. Bakit ako mahihiya kung sa iyo'y liligaya ang pag-ibig mo lamang ang siyang tanging aliw sa pusa'y pagkat kita'y minamahal. Nung kita'y mahalin, di ko na inisip ang kinabukasan ko. Ang nadarama ko'y iniibig kita, pag-ibig na walang maliw. Sabihin man nila na ako'y isang baliw, kung dahil sa'yo giliw, ay tatanggapin ko maluwag sa dibdib sapagkat mahal kita. Bakit ako mahihiya kung sa iyo'y liligaya ang pag-ibig mo lamang ang siyang tanging aliw sa buhay pagkat kita'y minamahal. Love you all! Love you all! Mabuhay ng lahat! Kahit na tayo senyor, kaya pa rin natin. Gawin natin. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, Tita Lucena. Tita, sabi niyo po kanina, taga dito tayo, Tita, sa gitna. Bumati muna kayo sa inyong mga tagahanga. Live po tayo ngayon. Nakikita niyo yan, Tita.
Hi!
Ayan.
Love you
CCTV
all!
ng security guard
Alam
yun,
ko
Tita.
lahat po kayo, friends.
Ayan,
Kahit na
Tita.
hindi man tayo mga magkakakilala, pero sa puso natin, tayo ay magkakapatid.
Tita, taga saan po kayo ulit?
San Jose Montalban.
San Jose
Montalban.
Mentalban.
Oo, Montalban.
Mentalban?
Montalban.
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 Ang galing ni Tita, no? Mapansin niyo po ba habang kumakanta siya, nagpipilita Corrales move siya. No? Tita, ulitin niyo nga po yung medyo nababali yung buto.
Hindi, kasi pag sa kampanyahan,
Kaya nga, Tita, paano nga yun yung medyo... Ganun. Ayun. Tita, ilang taon na po kayo ulit, Tita Luz? 75.
yes.
Nagpaalam ba kayo sa nanay niyo na nandito
Nagsusumpa pa
kayo?
ako.
Pinayagan naman kayo ng mga magulang niyo na pumunta dito, Tita.
Hindi ako nagpaalam.
Kasi chinelas lang kayo, Tita. Mukhang pinabibili lang kayo sa tindahan.
Okay. Yes.
Halika na, Tita.
Thank you, thank you.
Awatin na natin. Sabihin nyo, tita, bakit ako mahihiya?
Kasi talagang,
Dito tayo magkantuhan.
hindi, mapagpuro.
Oo naman, tita. Sige po.
Maraming salamat.
Ang susunod po nating kandidato sa pagkanta ay mula naman sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Siya po ay kakanta ng awiting pinasikat ni Ronnie Medalla. To give us the song Cry, ladies and gentlemen, tawagin po natin si Admin Danny Sabangan.
Oh, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Gandang hapon, Tito.
Happy po na ako'y maging isa sa mga contestant ng singing contest. Thank you po.
Mr. Ronan Keating.
Sometimes late at night, I like awake and watch her sleeping. She lost in peaceful dreams while turn on the light, lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind. Should awake in the morning. Would ever doubt the way I feel about here in my heart. If tomorrow never comes, but you know how much I love her. Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one. And if the time on her were through, she must face this world without me. If the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last, if tomorrow never comes. 'Cause I lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I feel with regret that my true feelings for them never were revealed. So I made a promise to myself to say each day how much he means to me. And avoid the circumstance where there's no second chance. Tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, would you know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? And if the time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. If the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last, if tomorrow never comes. 'Cause there's a time that you love, just what you're thinking of. Tomorrow never comes. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. Ay, hindi pala. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Opo, Tito Vic
Thank you.
Asuncion. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo. From Pampanga. Alright. Our next contestant for the singing contest, to render us the song by Paul Anka, You Are My Destiny. From Pangasinan Chapter, Mr. Domiciano Gabuyo.
I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you told me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You make my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po from Private Chapter, Tita Alice. You made me live again. Thank you very much. And now we will now proceed to the folk dance contestants. Excited po ba kayo? Andyan pa po ba kayo? Pakitapik nga po yung mga katabi nyo. Sabihin nyo, okay ka pa ba? Buhay ka pa ba? Ayan. Magkakasama po tayo hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi. Okay po ba yon? Alright. Mula naman po sa lalawigan ng Batangas, makikita natin ang pagtatanghal ng ating mga lolo't lola, tita at tito para sa kanilang polka sa nayon. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our Batangas chapter.
Cry when you are lonely. Don't you know that sadness lonely? Let your feelings out if there's no doubt. If your lovers have gone away, cry just keep on crying. When you know no hope for trying, when your lover is gone, let me be the one to give you more love each day. When he's gone, my time has come to give you love for each day. Cry just for tomorrow. 'Cause with me there'll be no sorrow. And your eyes making love and happiness will come our way. Cry. There's no more hope for trying. When your lover's is gone, it may be the one to give you more love each day. When your lover is gone, let me be the one to give you more love each day. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Tito Admin Danny Sabangan. Tito, taga saan po kayo?
Cavite po.
Cavite. Saan po sa Cavite?
Imos.
Imus, Cavite. Opo. Asan po yung mga kasama nyo, Tito?
Nandun po sila sa ano.
Mukha naman silang natuwa sa pagkanta nyo, Tito. Ayun, kumakaway-kaway, ano. Opo.
Siguro, kasi ngayon lang ako siguro sumali eh.
Tsaka yung reigning king ng 2026 nasa likod. Sir, nagkita tayo last year, ano po, no? Nung bata pa kayo. Opo, opo. Maraming salamat po, Admin. Mabuhay po kayo. At sana po ay mabusog kayo, Tito Admin. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Sir Admin Danny Sabangan. Nananawagan po ulit kami sa kasali po sa contestant sa pagsayaw. Kung nasaan naman po kayo, pakigalaw po ang baso, magparamdam po kayo. Ano po? Kasi hindi ho kayo makita. Opo. Yung pong mga contestant daw po sa pagsayaw, magparamdam po kayo. At meron po kayong mapapanalunan. As we proceed to our dance contest, ang sinasabi po natin, our Filipino dance reflects our culture, tradition, and heritage. May pakiusap lang po kami during the dance performance. Muli po palakpakan natin, Mr. Domiciano Pasuyo.
You are my destiny. You are what you are to me. You are my happiness. That's what you are. You are my sweet caress. You share my loneliness. You are my dreams comes true. That's what you are. Heaven and heaven alone can take your love from me, 'cause I never be. You are my destiny. You share my reverie. You're more than life to me. That's what you are.
Maraming salamat po, Tito Domiciano Gabuyo from Pangasinan. Talagang yung kanta ni Tito Domiciano, panglinggo, no? Parang Sunday's best music. Ayan. Ang susunod na kalahok ay mula sa private chapter. She will render us the song by Janet Basco entitled You Made Me Live Again. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Alicia Serrano.
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat.
Okay po. Sige po. Okay. Okay, sa folk dance naman, tita, ang nanalo ay mula sa...
Alam mo, 25,000 yung first.
Oh, grabe, no?
20,000 yung second.
Oh.
Third yung 15.
Oh,
diba?
grabe.
Pero divided by 2.
Correct. Garnering an average score of 87.65, our third place for folk dance goes to
Ta-ta-ta-ta!
Laguna and Quezon Chapter.
Woohoo!
Third prize. Saan
Third
po kayo?
prize. Laguna, Quezon.
Baka nagbibihis. Second prize goes to Bulacan Chapter.
Bulacan. Second prize, Bulacan. Second runner.
And the first runner-up for folk dance goes to
Again.
Metro Manila.
Metro.